Back with the weather, and it's not a really pretty story out there.
It's not. We're looking at strong and even severe thunderstorms across much of the north and the eastern half of the state. Nothing here in the metro, though. We're seeing plenty of cloud cover and even enough moisture, just not enough to get those storms going here. But I'm certainly getting it again out across the eastern plains. That's where we have the severe thunderstorm watch. And right now, no severe thunderstorm warnings to talk about. We had a couple up near Las Vegas and then one down in Lincoln County. Those have been allowed to expire. But we are still looking at strong storms, producing a lot of lightning. Roy getting very heavy rain, tons of lightning there, and likely gusty winds up to 45, even 50 miles per hour. And this storm is going to continue to move to the north and east. We're looking at spot thunderstorms up in the northern mountains, but nothing too heavy right now over in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. And then down in the southeastern part of the state, we're looking at more showers and thunderstorms. A strong storm now west of Roswell, trying to drift slowly to the north and east, but pretty stationary there. And Roswell, you're not getting the rain, but there have been lightning strikes in and around your area, so it may be nice to look at the storm back off to the west, but certainly be careful because lightning is coming down in your area. And then we have another thunderstorm just to the north and west of that, and that's heading on into the Fort Sumner direction. So again, all the action out across the eastern half of the state, central and west dry, and we're dealing with the wind, so high fire danger. This is a look at the wind gusts as of this hour, anywhere from nearly 40-mile-per-hour gusts to the metro to 54-mile-per-hour gusts up in Alamosa. So strong winds continue across the state. They will die down tonight once the sun starts to set, but then they're going to be picking up tomorrow afternoon, and they could be even stronger than what we've been seeing today. Looking at the metro, 93 degrees. It is hot out still. Winds sustained out of the south at 26 miles per hour, and you can see the cloud cover, very hazy out. And again, it looks like it's going to rain. The relative humidity up from yesterday, 4% yesterday, now up to 13%. But again, there's just the slightest of a chance that we may see a spot thunderstorm tonight. Most of it is going to be out to the east. The storms that are occurring right now out east will die down once we get closer to the midnight hour, and then we could see more showers and storms over in the southeast. Roswell, you saw storms to your east yesterday, storms to your west today. Maybe tomorrow you can get a thunderstorm in your area as that moisture continues to focus in on the south and east. And then by Thursday, we're going to be looking at windy, dry conditions and again, high fire danger. And we could even be looking at dry thunderstorms across much of the central part of the state for your Thursday and Friday. Then going toward the end of the week and into the weekend, back to partly cloudy skies and breezy conditions. Here's a look at the temperatures out right now. It is pretty warm out. We're in the 70s and 80s up in the northern mountains. 93 in Albuquerque, and in the middle and upper 90s down across the southeast. Temperatures will be just as warm tomorrow, if not warmer for you, in some locations down in the southeast. Your forecast now for the northwest, partly cloudy, windy tomorrow. Winds are really going to kick up, gusting to 40 miles per hour with temperatures in the 80s. We'll see breezy conditions on Friday, and then your chance for a few storms moves in for the second half of the weekend and into the start of next week, but not a whole lot of moisture going to be moving into that area, so those chances pretty slim. South and west, partly cloudy and breezy with highs well into the 90s. Silver City, 90 tomorrow, near 90 for Friday, and then a chance for a few stray thunderstorms going into the weekend, but most of you are going to stay dry in the southwest. South and east, that storm chance sticks around through tomorrow with highs in the middle and upper 90s. We won't see the widespread precip that we're seeing today, though, out east for tomorrow. Roswell highs in the upper 90s for the next couple of days. Another chance for a few thunderstorms on Saturday, then mostly sunny by Sunday. North and east, again, severe threat sticks around through at least 9 o'clock this evening, and then we'll see those storms taper off. Tomorrow, we could see a few more spot thunderstorms, and it will be a warm one. Mid-80s for Las Vegas. Again, on Friday, back into the mid-80s, and then the chance for a few isolated thunderstorms on Sunday. Northern mountains, evening thunderstorms here tonight. Those die down after midnight, and then more scattered storms developing tomorrow afternoon, and temperatures on the warm side, 89 in Santa Fe, upper 80s again on Friday, and the weather will stay pretty unsettled. We're going to be looking at the chance for a few showers and storms going into next week as well. East Mountain spot storms, very windy tomorrow afternoon with highs in the mid-80s, and for the metro, another warm one back into the low 90s, partly cloudy, very breezy again tomorrow. Could see those gusts near 35 and 40 miles per hour. The winds get a little bit better by Friday, and then we could see the chance for a few more storms and the winds returning next week.
Well, at least there's some rain falling somewhere.
It's true.
Sports